Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionstraderToday. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude oil has moved in the last month and how the price of crude can move in the next month. See, overall what we can see looking at the crude chart, that since long 97 what we have seen, the crude price was in this particular range and stable, and after that we have seen a rise of more than 147. That means it has reached a level of 147. Till now it has not reached that particular level, and this is in 2008. Okay, after that what we have seen, a sharp fall, and that sharp fall made crude reached at around $33. Okay, this was a sharp fall you can see in just 2-3 months, 4 months. Okay, after that what we have seen, a steady growth, and in this particular zone from 2009 to 14, that is around 5 years. After that again we have seen a sharp fall, made a low of around $25. Okay, from there again we have seen the same pattern we are seeing in this particular zone and this particular pattern. Okay, this range. After this fall we have seen the same pattern it is forming, and then again if you look at the pattern closely, you can see the crude is forming the same pattern. See, a fall, and a pattern for growth upside, and then in a particular range again we have seen a fall. Okay, you can see the same pattern and a crude upside. This is the particular I'm telling you for an year wise. Okay, and now if we go on this particular 2022 range, we can see that whenever it went upside, it made a fall. Whenever it went upside, it made a fall. Whenever it went upside, made a fall. 4 times it happened, and this is the 5th time we have seen a swing at this particular level. Okay, so now what we can see, before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude, you can mail me, or any other commodities you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and a mail ID I have given in the description. Okay, please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude is working and other commodities. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, you can join, link in the description. If you look at the chart, what we can see that the crude is currently moving at around $101.47. Okay, so suppose if the price of crude sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price of crude sustain, we can see it can move to a level of $104.17. Okay, and this is the particular resistance, that once if it sustain this particular resistance, we can see it can move further upside to a level of 106. Okay, and if that level also sustain, then we can see it can move to a level of 107.5. okay, so and once 107.5 sustain, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 112.93, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 115.43. Okay, and these are the particular resistance which I am telling you. What we can see a bounce back from this particular resistance of 1.7.92, and from there and from a level of 112.51, and this particular bounce back can be supported by their next support, and we can see again a bounce back toward an upside. Suppose if the price goes above a level of 112, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 129. Okay, and can go further upside, but before 129 we can see one resistance which is stopping it from moving upside, that is around 119. Okay, so once if it goes above 112, then we can see it can move to a level of 119, and then we can see it can break this particular high also. Okay, and what we can see that the probability of going high will be high if it goes above this particular, because this is the range where the market was for quite some time. Okay, and then once this particular range break upside, we can see it can touch its all-time high also. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see, yes, a pattern we have seen. I've already explained you that there was a pattern forming, that whenever it made a high, it always comes down. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can touch a level of 100.41. If the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of 100.41, and from there if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down more and can touch a level of 97.91. okay, and this is the particular level we can see it can come more down. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level also, then we can see it can touch a level of 94.31, and from there we can see it can move further low and can touch a level of 89.56. Suppose if the price goes below 89.56, then we can see it can fall further down and can touch a level of 84.41, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 74.96. Suppose if the price didn't sustain that level also, then we can see it can go further low towards a level of 66, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 62.86 also. okay, and once if it goes below a level of 66, because 66 is a support which we can see, then it can move to a level of 58, and then we can see it can move further low. But before till the time it is sustaining a level of 88, we can see it is an uptrend, but as of now it is trading at around 101.52. so once if it goes below 100 level, we can see it can touch a level of 94.31 also, and once if it crosses a level of 98, and then we can see further low. okay, because this is the particular range where we have not seen the price of crude has come. okay, so once if it comes to a level of 88, below 88, then we can see in this particular range the crude can move further. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have already explained you. Now understand one thing: if you are trading is a risky thing, or you are investing, please consult the financial advisor before investing, okay, and trading. So now suppose if you are trading, there is some rules that you have to follow. Suppose if you are trading with $10,000, suppose, and if you take 5 trades, okay, so what you can do is try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. okay, capital was $10,000 suppose, so your trade will be around $1,000 to $1,500 per trade, and risk will be should be 0.5 to 1%, that is around $50 to $100. understanding me? So if suppose if you lose all 5 trades, your risk is $500, which is you already have defined. So now once you achieve this, exit trade for the day, and now when you entered in the next day, you will be focusing more on profit rather than recovering the loss. You getting me? So this is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend my workshop, you can mail me and we can work out on the timings. Thank you. If hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.